How to use the included accessories to DIY length. Part 1. IP20 LED strip section. Cut the strip along marked lines. Insert LED strip to the connector. Make sure the pin pads on the strip line up with the pins in the connector. Press the connector cover down until it clicks. Install the other end the same way. Insert LED strip. Align the pin pads. Cover the cap. Board-to-board connection done. Cut the strip at the lines. Insert LED strip to the connector. Cover the cap. Board-to-wire connection done. (365nm) lights on. Part 2. IP65 LED strip section. Cut the LED strip at lines. How it looks like after cutting. Insert LED strip to the connector. Press down the cover. Done. This is board-to-board connector. Insert LED strip to the connector. Press down the cover. The other side uses the same procedure. Insert. Press down the cover. Done.